Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a friend's mail. This box was sent to me from Jackie from Life of Us Never Them. I'm excited to get into it. It took me a while because my boy's been working, which they're working today too, and I don't want to try it out without them, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. And then hopefully we'll try I know she sent me Mexican candies. So let's get into it. And it's heavy. I know she was gonna send me different candies to try from Mexico. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Oh my God, I never had these. What is this called? Flechazos. Hot and salted tamarind flavor candy. Oh, my husband loves this because we love tamarindo. Can't wait to try this. Pulparin dots. Tamarind candy with liquid. Ooh. I've never seen these. Girl, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate this. Rellenitos. I am feeling fine. Tamarindo. So these all tamarindos. Oh my God. I'm excited to try this. This looks familiar or no? I don't think so. Nope, I have never seen this neither. Lucas, lemon, bombazo. They're heavy. And this too. Never seen this neither. And this is tamarindo. Pelón pelo rico. This one I think I have, but it looks different. That you push and it comes up. My husband loves these. I think it's the same, but it was smaller. These ones are huge. Oh my God, my mouth is watery. My mouth is watery, Jackie. Yep. So I will be trying this and seeing how we like it, which I know we're gonna like them because they're all tamarindo and it has the spicy and limon. Yes. So stay tuned for the next clip.